Alright guys, so today I decided I was going to introduce Nemo to a yoga ball. So he's coming over here. He's already kind of spooky at it. I've never done this with him before and he's a pretty spooky horse, so we're going to see how this goes. Alright, so he's coming to check it out. What's that, Nemo? Good boy. Let's see. Easy. He is so afraid of it. Oh, he's gonna go check it out. Oh. I'll be very surprised if he plays with it, to be honest. Go get it, Nemo, go! Oh, I'm freaking freezing. It's like minus 32. What's that, Nemo? Go see. Go get it. Go. Go see it. Go. Oh, he's such a cutie. What's that, Nemo? He's so not sure about it. I wonder what he'll do if I kick it towards him. Nemo, it's okay. It's okay. You're funny. What's that? It's okay. It's okay. Here, I'll walk away, you can check it out by yourself. Nemo, it's okay. See, I'm playing with it. Oh, come here. Come here. Come here. See, it's not scary. He's so afraid right now. Aw, you don't want to play with it? You're funny. Okay, I'm gonna kick it really far and see what he does. Look, Nemo. He's just staring. You gonna go see it? Good boy.